Role and impact of IT in society. E-business. An e-business is one that performs either all or the majority of its commerce online. This includes companies like Amazon. Even though they work with physical products, most, if not all, of their transactions take place online. The number of e-businesses is constantly increasing, as a result of lower overhead costs and the relative ease of opening one. Online shopping. The rise of IT has also caused a rise in online shopping. Online shopping websites and applications are now extremely popular since customers can buy products easily and conveniently. Online shopping is usually beneficial to retail companies. There is no need to have a physical store, and the number of employees can be reduced. However, it is also very difficult for people to see the quality of products online or check the size of them. This is especially true for clothing. It is very hard to determine if a shirt will be a good fit from just looking at measurements. Online banking. Online banking is an online version of the majority of services that a normal bank would offer. Instead of having to visit a branch to open and manage an account, users can simply use a website or a mobile application to do so. Users can easily view their balance, make transfers, apply for loans from home, 24/7. Online banking is especially popular with young people who find visiting banks with limited opening hours too much of a hassle. Electronic funds transfer. This is when money is transferred electronically. This includes POS, point of sale, transactions, where customers pay using their debit or credi card. This also includes direct debits, where customers set up their bank accounts to automatically pay for monthly utility bills. Even though transferring funds electronically has already become the norm, many people are still concerned about privacy issues and the danger of having fraudsters getting their hands on personal information to steal funds. Automatic stock control. In the past, retail businesses had to manually inspect their inventory and record it every time a shipment arrived or a product was sold. This is very important since businesses need to manage their stock very carefully to avoid holding too much or too little. Nowadays, most stock control systems are electronic. As a shipment of goods arrive, they are scanned before they are stored in a warehouse. These systems are also connected to sales systems to automatically update the inventory every time a product is sold. Advanced systems can also automatically reorder products every time stock is running low. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is where 3D space is processed and rendered by a computer. This usually involves the need of a VR headset so that the user is completely immersed in the experience. A considerable amount of processing power is needed to render the image as the user moves around, in a stable manner so as to prevent motion sickness. VR is usually used for games, but recently, medical procedures and flight simulators have also started to use this technology in a variety of training programs.